Hello everyone, welcome to CyberDucky. Today we're going to do a new video focusing on learning Kali Linux file system and terminal. Before that, I wanted to show you guys the rule of 100, which is if you invested 100 hours focused a year, just in 18 minutes a day, into learning and a skill, you can become significantly better than the most people in the world in doing that, right? So if you can spend every day 18 minutes for year, means 365 days, right? So if you, without skipping a day, or at least keep doing it every day, you will become better. So I just wanted to give that idea. So whatever you're learning, try to do it at least minimum half an hour or 30 minutes if can, because 30 minutes means you are doing 180 hours, so you are very good. Because most of the people, what I in my experience, I meet a lot of people that nobody has, even including me. It's very difficult to have that consistency of learning. The learning can give you a lot of edge. It can give you a lot of earning possibilities. So please try to invest yourself on learning, and it will be definitely benefit for you. So for today, we will be focusing on Linux file system and terminal. So let's start that, and please take your time learning. And definitely it will be great opportunity. I mean, it will give you a lot of opportunities to betterment yourself and get a jobs. Okay, let's move on. And if you are new new watcher, never subscribed before to my channel, please help to subscribe and share these videos, so that will help us to grow this channel. And let's move to the next step. Let me show you guys how to open the terminal first. Let me close this. So when you finish your installation for Kali Linux, then you can open, it will show you the desktop. Then you can either go to this icon and you can open terminal there, or you can just click here. So once you click, you can see your terminal, but its font is small. So you can either make it big. You can change here the fonts. Maybe you can give 16. Okay, then if you close also, next time also it'll be the same font size. If you go here, it will be, yeah. But if it's still small, you can just press the Control Shift and plus. It will increase the size. And if you want to bring small, then you can just Control and minus. It will change the size. So in my case, let me increase a little bit so that everybody can see. So in the terminal, right, there is a three standards they say when you learn Linux or Kali. One is standard input. That is basically means you ask something to do, like pwd means you're giving an input, so it gives a standard output, which is a working directory. Then the other one called, if I type like a nonsense, it would give some error, right? So example, if I type there is nothing found, they call it standard error. So that is the basic thing, but you will learn eventually when you start doing these things. So that is the first thing. I want you to know how to change the size of the font, and using either preference, or you can use it through you pressing Control Shift and plus to increase your font or the screen resolution, I mean the font size, so that more readable. Or if you want to make it small, make it smaller. One from the bigger, I'm going to make it smaller, then press just Control and minus, it will go down. So this is the first thing I want you to learn. The second is, now we will look into the other command. So the first command I wanted to show is the uname. Uname basically gives what is the operating system or the foundation is running. Then if you put -8, it will give more information, which is Kali Linux and the version and all these kernel informations. So that is one thing. Then one of the other thing we need to do is command is who am I. So in my case says is Ducky. So basically what is that means, we are logging in which username. So that's what it's giving. So you can see here also it says Ducky at Kali. Basically means Ducky is a user, Kali is a machine name, and this tilde means basically you are in your home directory. So that's what it means. Okay, after that I want to show you a command called ls. So ls is basically the list. It will list all the things in your current working directory, all the folders, files. So if you want more information like ls-la, so it will list and it will show you all the files. So that's why you see all the hidden files, so-called hidden files also you can see, which is you don't see these files hidden all these informations when you just type ls. The other thing the L do, what is do is it will list all the files, like it's more readable and give you the permission level or this. That we will discuss this part is in another video. So for now we just try to understand the very basic things to move here and move there. So after that, I want to show you pwd, which already saw. Pwd basically means your working directory. So if you are moved to cd desktop to change directory, so meaning you are in, now when I type ls, your desktop downloads pictures, everything you have. So I want to move into desktop, then I type cd and the name of desktop where I want to move. Now you can, if you type pwd, it will show you home directory, Ducky, then home, Ducky, and desktop. So if you see before, it's only shows Ducky, now it's showing Ducky desktop, which means we move from Ducky to desktop. So that's what it's showing here. The other thing I want to show you the command for network. So how to see if config basically means you want to know which IP information is available in your system. So for that you just use IP config. If config, so it gives those informations as well. So yeah, if I give IP config now, you can see here it has a Docker running. This is the IP of the interface 0, all these informations. Good. Yep. So the next is, let me clear. One of the important command I want to show you is the man. So man page basically give the information of what that command can do. Example, if I type ifconfig, I want to know more about ifconfig, how to use ifconfig, then it will give this information. So ifconfig we can use with -a to -a, -s, -v. So these informations, and it says up means what, down mean what, all these informations you can read and understand. So that is the very basic commands. Now I want to show you something little bit tricky stuff, which is call it alias. So example, we saw who am I, right? Who am I? So who am I? It's a very long, I need type. So I want to make it short. Then I would just say alias equal to me equal to who am I. So now if I type me, it gives this one. So if you want to remove this, you just type alias me, then it will remove. So if I type me now, nothing will come, nothing found. So this is one of the trick you can do, like alias and type maybe pwd, and you can type equal echo you are hacked. I think it should work. Let's try. Okay, now if somebody type pwd, it means you are hacked, So this is some way you can fool people. So if you have someone, you have access to someone's Linux machine, you just go and change pwd to this, and then they come and they type pwd, then they're gonna get this echo command, then you think, oh, I'm got hacked. So this is this is nothing, but I just want to show what things we can do. But this is one of the things that in future, when you want to run or maybe backdoor or something, you can also do such a thing. Let's see if you can unalias this one. pwd is gone. Now if I type pwd, it will come our old working directory, correct? Let's see if I can alias to if config equal to echo maybe how to say, let's see, we can type hacked. So every time if somebody come and type if config, you hacked. Or maybe we can, I don't know whether we can, okay, maybe we can say no network in this IP if config. Okay, so what's happening is that, let's say someone don't have much knowledge of Linux, and if they come and type if config no network in the system, but it can ping other network. So it's like a confusing. You can play with people with these type of commands. Anyway, that is what I want to show you, but I will show you later when it come to a network topic. I'll show what is the meaning of ping, all this, so don't confuse now. For today, I don't want to overwhelm too many informations. It's an alias. What is that? If config. So now if config, it should come. Okay. So we saw few commands, uname -a, what is the meaning for that? Then who am I, we check already, ls pwd, and ip if config, and man page. So this is very good to start. So once if you don't know how to install Kali, you can see my video how to install Kali. Then from there you can pick up small commands. Then later we move to the other file management and more things, how to navigate. We only learn how to navigate small things. And I just want to add this one also, cd. Okay, cd command means change directory. So I am now in pwd, working directory is my desktop. So if I want to go back to Ducky, I press cd, put cd, then put 2 dots. It will send me back to my other directory, which is Ducky. So ls will give me the list. I just say again cd pictures, or maybe I go to documents. Now ls, I don't have anything there. pw, I'm in documents. So this is the thing I wanted to show for now. And how to create folders, everything I will show you in the next video. So if you are, again, thank you for your time, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I'm looking forward to put more videos and help you guys to learn and upskill yourself. And please subscribe and watch and comments if you have any questions. I'm happy to reply on that. Thank you for your time again.